In a move that bridges two powerhouse themes in the digital economy, Bitcoin and Web3, DigitalX has secured 20.7 million Aussie dollars in a strategic placement led by Animoca Brands. The capital injection marks a bold pivot for DigitalX, deepening its Bitcoin first strategy and reinforcing its ambition to be the go-to ASX listed vehicle for institutional exposure to the world's original digital asset. While Animoca may be better known today as a global Web3 juggernaut with over 570 investments, including the Sandbox, Yuga Labs and Dapper Labs, its roots are firmly planted in the ASX. The company was listed locally before delisting in 2020 as it leaned into the decentralised future. Its re-emergence on the Australian capital markets radar, this time as a strategic advisor and investor, adds considerable weight to the DigitalX story. It comes as DigitalX's treasury assets hit an all-time high of 75.9 million Aussie dollars in May, driven by a strong performance in both Bitcoin and Solana, making it a clear outlier for ASX investors wanting exposure to key digital assets. Fronting the investment is Animoca's executive chairman and co-founder Yat Su, a Hong Kong-based tech entrepreneur and vocal advocate for digital property rights. Su's become an influential figure in global blockchain investment circles, and under his guidance, Animoca has expanded beyond gaming into infrastructure, finance, and now with DigitalX, Aussie-listed Bitcoin exposure. DigitalX will deploy the lion's share of the funds, around 19.7 million Aussie dollars, into expanding its Bitcoin treasury, adding to an already significant holding of more than 250 Bitcoin through both direct holdings and its ASX-listed Bitcoin ETF, BTXX. But this raise doesn't just bring in capital, it brings serious strategic clout. Alongside Su, crypto veteran Hervé Larrin is joining a new advisory board, and UTXO management will secure a board seat. For investors, this is an interesting move at a time when Bitcoin and Web3 narratives are regaining momentum. And following Tuesday's volume spike, hawk-eyed investors are likely to be monitoring DigitalX shares over the next few trading sessions.